Today our topic is about life insurance in USA. Now we go to Google and search here life insurance in USA. Life insurance policies and quotes for 2024 Nerd Wallet. If you have just visited the channel, so subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Get started on Nerd Wallet. Key takeaways. A life insurance policy pays a sum of money to your beneficiaries if you die while the policy is active. There are two main types of policies, term and permanent. You may be able to buy a life insurance policy that goes into effect instantly. When you are shopping for the best life insurance policy for you and your family, there are important decisions to make. We will show you how to choose the right type of policy and coverage amount, get life insurance quotes, and find the best company for you. What is a life insurance policy? A life insurance policy is a contract between you and insurance company in exchange for regular payments called premiums. The insurer pays out money after you die. This money goes to the people you choose as life insurance beneficiaries, usually children, a spouse, or other family members who need life insurance. A life insurance policy can be an important safety net if anyone depends on you financially. For example, if you are the breadwinner, a parent, a homeowner, or someone with co-signed debt, you may need life insurance coverage. Beneficiaries can use the money for any purpose, such as repaying debts, replacing your income, or covering your funeral and burial costs. How to buy a life insurance policy? When you are in market for a life insurance policy, there are your options. Online. Depending on the type of policy you want, you may be able to apply for and buy a policy online and get coverage on the same day. This is known as instant life insurance. Many insurance and brokerages use algorithms to determine whether you qualify for a policy and ask a series of questions about your health and lifestyle to set your rate. Through an agent or broker. If you are a high risk applicant or you simply want someone to help you navigate through the buying process, you can go through a life insurance agent or broker. Captive agents sell policies from one company like State Farm, while independent agents typically offers policies from multiple companies directly from the insurer. Most insurers allows you to buy a policy through their site, over the phone, or in person. Before committing to a company, be sure to compare quotes to make sure you are getting the best possible coverage at the lowest possible price. Which life insurance policy is right for me? In general, there are two main types of life insurance, term and permanent. Term life policies cover you for only a set period of time, such as 10 or 20 years. Permanent life insurance can last your entire life and typically includes a cash value component. Term life insurance policies, permanent life insurance policies. Is life insurance right for me? While all life insurance policies are designed to pay out a sum of money when you die, there are many types of life insurance to choose from. The way life insurance works can differ dramatically among these types. Answer the questions below to find out if life insurance is right for you. Would anyone close to you, such as spouse or a child, have a hard time paying the bills if you died? Compare with Polygenes. How much life insurance should I buy? To figure out how much life insurance you need, think about your financial obligations now and in the future. Then aim to take out a policy to match them. For example, add up any long-term debts like a mortgage or college fees. Multiply your annual income by the number of years you want your beneficiary to be covered after you die. Subtract any funds or assets you currently have that can be used to cover these expenses. Need more help? Use our coverage calculator to estimate your coverage amount. How much life insurance do I need? The main purpose of life insurance is to help your loved ones continue to meet their financial needs. If you die unexpectedly, but there are other reasons people buy life insurance. If you are not sure whether life insurance is right for you, check out our Is Life Insurance Right for Me tool. Otherwise, answer a few questions below to figure out how much coverage you need, and don't forget to tap the button for tips and examples. How much do life insurance policies cost? In general, term life is the cheaper than permanent life insurance. When comparing the different types of permanent coverage, whole life is typically more expensive than universal life. It is important to find a policy that you can afford. If you miss payments, the insurer may cancel your policy, leaving your beneficiaries with a payout. Life insurance rates vary among insurance, sometimes significantly, so it is a good idea to compare life insurance quotes from several companies before you buy. Once you know the type of life insurance policy and amount of coverage you need, it is time to find the best company. Check out some of the top insurers on our list by reading our life insurance.